Hello friend, this is Amir. Welcome to our next video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the FOIL method. This method is to multiply two parentheses with variable terms in it, and it will help students a lot in Algebra 2 and also in pre-calculus. And if you master this method, you will be able to solve polynomial equations very easily. You will be able to solve quadratic equation very easily and find the roots of quadratic equation. Also find the zeros of the quadratic equations. So let's go ahead and get started. So FOIL is basically stands for first. Alright, this term F stands for first, O stands for outer, I stands for inner, and L stands for last. And you can see that my arrows are shown in blue. This is first terms, that's why it's called first. You multiply x with x, then you multiply x with -5, x with x, and x with -5. And inner terms is -3 and x, so you'll multiply -3 and x, and then you will multiply -3 and -5. So whenever you multiply x and x, like is shown here, x multiplied by x is always give you x square. Okay, x multiplied by -5 will give you -5x. -3 multiplied by x will give you -3x, and -3 multiplied by -5. We know that whenever two negative signs comes together, we'll make positive, so we'll get the positive answer, and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So let's rewrite this equation in this form. So x multiplied by x, our first term is x square. Our second term is positive -5x, then plus -3x, and then plus positive 15 will become 50. Alright, now here, as you see, this positive and negative sign one comes together will turn into negative. Similarly, the same operation will happen here, and we'll get x square. Alright, and positive and negative will turn into negative. We'll get -5x. Then here positive and negative will turn into negative. We'll get -3x plus 15. Now here we can combine the like terms. Now like terms are only -5x and -3x. So there is only one power of x is involved, which is the power here in this case is 1. Alright, power here in this case is 2, and here x to the power of 0. So whenever any terms with comes with the power of 0, it will turn to 1. So 15 multiplied by 1 will ultimately give you 50. Alright, so we're not gonna count that x, and then we can write down whenever you multiply the next operation will be -5x plus -3x, which is -3x. And now both signs are negative here. So the both signs are negative. So you will add these two terms. When you add 5x and 3x, you'll get 8x. Go ahead and remove that. So here 5x and 3x, you will get 8x, and you will put the sign of bigger number. The bigger number is 5, so the sign of in front of that is negative, so you'll put negative. So that is our term that will come, that will replace -5x and -3x. So our last, or the simplification of this, is x square minus 8x plus 15. So this is our answer. This is basically multiplying x minus 3 and x minus 5. Let's go ahead and take another example. So we'll move forward to the next screen. So the another example is, so the other example is 3y plus 6 and 5y plus 4. Now you see here, I'm gonna do first. This is my first term. This is my outer term. This is my inner term, and this is my last term. This is my last term. Alright, and it will give me, now you do the multiplication here. So 3y multiplied by 5y is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, y multiplied by y square. So I will get 15y square. Then 3y multiplied by 4. I will get 3 multiplied by 4 is 12y, right? So there is only one y, so I'm going to write down plus 12y because there is only positive sign there. Now 6 multiplied by 5y. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30y. So I will get 30y here. And the last term is 6 multiplied by 4. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. I will get plus 24 here. Alright, my next step would be, of course, I'm gonna combine the like terms here. The like terms are 12y plus 30y. So first term is 15y squared. 12 plus 30 will give me 42. So I will get 42y here plus 24 as it is. So this is my final answer. And this can also apply to the application. Now, what is the application? Application of this. Let's get application. So here I will consider this example into consideration. So let's do 3 minus 5 multiplied by 6 minus 2. Now the basic example, or in order to solve this, you will solve the parenthesis first, then you will do multiplication, then addition or subtraction, whatever comes first. So what you will do, 3 minus 5 will give you a negative 2. This 3 minus 5 will give you negative 2. And this 6 minus 2 will give you positive 4. So the answer, when you will calculate it, you will get negative 8. 4 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 8. Now let's do this method using FOIL method. So I'm going to do my first. This is my first. This is my outer. This is my inner terms. And this is my last terms. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite the equation again here, and I will get 3 multiplied by 6, I will get 18. Alright, then 3 multiplied by negative 2, 3 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 6, so plus negative 6. Negative 5 multiplied by 6 will give me negative 30, so I will put negative 30. And negative 5 multiplied by negative 2. Now here, negative, both terms are negative. When you multiply it, it will become positive, and you will get positive 10. So plus positive 10. Now, my combined term, I'm going to go ahead and remove my parentheses first. Alright, so I will get 18. Here, I'm going to get positive and negative will give me negative. So my answer will be negative 6. Here again, my positive negative will turn into negative, will get me negative 30. And here, I will get positive 10. Now, if you do this calculation, it will give me 18 minus 30 plus 6 will be negative 36 plus 10. And 18 minus 36 will give me negative 18 plus 10. And negative 18 plus 10 will give me negative 18. Now you see the application of FOIL method here on the real examples where x is not given and the number instead of x or any integer or whole number is given. That applies to those numbers also. So you will see the answer, my answer here is negative 8 and my answer here is negative 8. So this is basic method everybody knows, but you can use FOIL method for this kind of examples also using this method. But this is a lengthier method, but it shows you that if there is no x variables and instead of x variable there is a number, you can still apply FOIL method if there are parentheses involved for this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm really excited to share more videos and newer concept in my future videos. So please like and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.